Here you're looking at aircraft ID ZA001, and this is an experimental aircraft. It never entered into service, and actually the interior is unfinished. So when it underwent flight testing, basically what you see here is the aircraft and its engines and its flight control systems. It was loaded with sort of water tanks and ballast to simulate sort of a full passenger flight. But this right here is purely experimental and never made it into service. So what you're looking at is the sort of predecessor to the 787s that are flying around the world today.
Oh, it's my own damn fault that I'm falling for you. We haven't even talked still.